In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the button color on Acuity scheduling. Whether you're looking to match your brand colors or just want a fresh new look, this quick and easy guide will walk you through each step of the process. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Acuity Scheduling's website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. This will take you to your Acuity Scheduling dashboard, which is your hub for all scheduling activities. Next, let's move over to the Scheduling Page section. From the main menu, click on Scheduling Page. This section allows you to define how your scheduling interface looks to your clients. Now that you're on the scheduling page, the next thing we'll do is select the Styles option. This is where you can adjust various aspects of your page's appearance, including fonts, backgrounds, and of course, colors. The Styles section gives you complete control over the aesthetic of your scheduling page, making it simple to align with your brand or personal preferences. Once you've clicked on Styles, look for the color settings. There should be a drop-down menu aptly named Color. Click on it and you'll see a list of preset color themes. These themes provide a great starting point, especially if you're looking to quickly revamp the look of your buttons without reinventing the wheel. After identifying a color theme that you may want to tweak, you'll need to click on it to select it. Now comes the fun part, customizing it. With your desired color theme chosen, find the Edit button. This button unlocks the ability to fine-tune various elements of your selected theme, including the all-important button color. As you delve into the editor, focus on finding the section specifically for buttons. You'll usually see options like backgrounds, text, and, of course, buttons. Each of these can be individually customized, so you'll want to specifically select the button option, allowing you to zero in on changing just the button colors. When personalizing the button color, opting for custom allows you to input a specific color code or manually select a shade using the color picker. This is perfect for ensuring the button color precisely matches your desired scheme, whether it's a corporate palette or a personal favorite hue. Finally, after you've found the perfect shade and are happy with the changes, it's essential not to overlook the vital step of saving your work. Look for the Save button, typically located in the upper or lower corner of the settings page, and click it to ensure all your customizations are applied. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the button color on your Acuity scheduling page. I hope this guide has been helpful for you, and remember, you can return to adjust these settings as often as you like. Thank you for watching.